Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have with me a tactical pen. This is a tactical pen. It can smash glass, so when you're stuck in a car, like when you're, like, the car lands in the water, you need to get out and you can't. Tactical pen can smash the window, you bang! And it's also a real pen, so it's the side where you smash windows, and sorry, just the lid came off. This is the pen. This is the tactical one. And put it back on. And bang. So it's really good. I was gonna test it with my dad's windscreen. He's gonna replace it. I can test it on there. So yeah, it's really good. And thank you. Bye. Like and subscribe.